the joy. Holy glows through the room. We live in CDs you'll never see on screen.
Maria Velis, Brine Fig, Find the Tide.
Luxury commercials like these cost hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of dollars to produce. Yet they attract millions of views because every shot feels intentional, every camera movement tells part of the story, and every transition keeps you emotionally engaged. Today, I want to find out if one AI native video agent can understand that cinematic language and help me create a completely original luxury commercial inspired by those same filmmaking principles. Normally, producing something like this would mean juggling multiple AI tools for planning, image generation, video creation, narration, music, and editing. But instead of asking whether AI can recreate a luxury commercial, I'm asking a much more interesting question. Can one AI agent understand why this style works in the first place? And this is where my normal workflow becomes a mess. I write the concept in one tool, generate the images somewhere else, switch platforms for video, create the voice and music separately, then bring it all into an editor, and somehow keep all the references, prompts, characters, clips, and project files organized. Every one of these tools can be great at what it does, but the problem is that none of them really understands the entire project. So eventually, I'm spending more time managing tools than actually directing the video. That's why I don't want to test Flova by simply asking, can it generate a good video? I want to test whether it can actually simplify the production workflow.
First, open your browser and type Flova. Now, with the Flova homepage open, if you're new to Flova, you instantly receive 100 credits upon login. Just sign up here. Since I already have an account, I'm logging in. Flova positions itself as an AI native video creation agent, connecting planning, generation, reviewing, organizing, and revising in one workspace. And that's what I'm going to test with a build project. Sign up for Flova using my link to get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can earn an additional 200 credits when someone registers through your invite link. Let's start building. Before uploading my reference, it's important to focus on skill in this workflow. A skill isn't just another button to generate a video. It's like a production playbook, defining processes like asset analysis, storyboard design, prompt writing, media generation, and video editing. This is useful because different projects need different creative processes. For today, I'm interested in understanding a reference's cinematic language and transforming it into a new video. This skill makes the most sense for my needs. I appreciate this workflow because the reference isn't just something to copy. The skill breaks down script, shots, structure, visual language, and rhythm, using those principles to create around a new theme. Flova lets you optimize or create your own skill for repeated processes. Click on New Skill. Here, you can create or optimize your skill, defining things like asset analysis, storyboard design, process planning, media generation, prompt writing, and video editing. For this project, I'll stick to the reference to video remix skill. I'm clicking on Use Skill. Now, I need to give Flova a creative blueprint by uploading my reference video.
And just to be completely clear before I upload it, I'm not downloading, reusing, copying, or reposting the original commercial or its assets. I'm using it only as a creative reference.
I chose it for its cinematic storytelling, character, environment, camera movement, lighting, pacing, and product integration, creating a luxurious feel. I've successfully uploaded my reference video. Now, I need to tell Flova what I want, so I'm writing a prompt here. Here's the instruction I've given to Flova. Just click on Generate, and this is where the interesting part begins. I'm not asking Flova what happens in this video. I'm asking it to understand why it works. Flova's multimodal analysis considers video, audio, pacing, lighting, atmosphere, and other visual details, not treating it as isolated frames. Think of how a director studies a commercial. They don't memorize every frame, but look at rhythm, emotional beats, camera language, lighting, and the purpose of each scene. Flova has extracted useful elements from the reference successfully. This is crucial for turning a reference into structured creative information that we can use. Flova has successfully analyzed the entire video. Here, you can see the analysis results. Flova also asks me to choose the commercial format, to log the creative brief and build the original storyboard. I'm selecting one of them. I'm selecting a 30-second cinematic widescreen film and clicking on Send. Once the reference is understood, Flova moves into the video specification. It's the production plan for what we are about to create. As you can see, Flova has successfully generated my final video specifications, including video title, video type, target audience, and more. It also provides story direction, emotional and editorial arc. If you want to change anything, you can go to Edit and make changes. For now, I like this version, so I'm not making any changes. Flova begins crafting the storyboard, marking a significant shift from traditional AI video workflows. Instead of random clips that may or may not fit, I can see the commercial structure before generating everything. I can view key elements, assess if shots evoke the right emotions, and ensure the final product moment feels deserved. Plus, I can review individual shot prompts before generating. This step is crucial to avoid wasting credits on unintended camera angles, character actions, or visual styles. Dislike a shot? Edit or delete it here. I'm satisfied with this version, so I'm keeping it as is. Flova also produces the audio for the video. To make any changes, simply write your edits. I'm pleased with the audio, so I'm sticking with it and moving to the production scene. With the storyboard approved, Flova creates visual references, offering checkpoints before using credits on actual video clips. Flova successfully generated my hero character. I'm reviewing the face, wardrobe, and style for consistency across shots. Want changes? Write your edits and click Generate to update. I like this version, so no edits needed. Moving forward, with the reference set approved, Flova creates cinematic shot keyframes guiding final motion composition and product reveal. Flova creates scene reference images, serving as visual checkpoints before generating actual video clips. Flova starts generating my assets here. Flova offers a canvas mode for easily browsing and organizing media. Here, we can explore and organize freely. Flova's generated reference set is ready. Dislike anything? Edit directly by entering your changes and submitting. In this shot, I dislike the composition, lighting, and product placement. I wrote my edits and pressed enter. Flova edited the shot based on my instructions. Let's check the result. This looks great. Here's the before and after from my instruction. I like this version. I'm proceeding with this. We're finally generating the actual video, highlighting all the pre-work, reference analysis, creative direction, video specification, storyboard, and more. It's easy to overlook the generation step. The real value is in the connected planning and production context before generating. For better viewing, I'm switching to canvas mode to see the generated shot. Here's the first shot. I'm impressed with the cinematic direction, lighting, and movement. They convey the luxury I wanted. With 4 final clips ready, Flova asks what to do next. To refine clips, click here. I like this version, so I'm creating the soundtrack and voice. Flova successfully generated them. Flova starts assembling visuals and audio. Let's see the result. Here it is. It created a 30-second luxury perfume commercial from my reference image. Let's review.
Maria Velis. Brine Fig.
I like this version.
Find
I'm
the
simply clicking
tide.
on export. The asset library becomes valuable post-video creation. Instead of scattered materials, I can preserve assets for future use. To store, go to the image, click the three dots, and select Store in Asset Library. If I turn this fictional perfume into a campaign series or need another commercial with the same visual identity, I won't rebuild from scratch. Just store it in the asset library for future use.
After actually using Flova for a complete project, I don't think its biggest strength is replacing every AI model I use. I think its biggest strength is reducing workflow fragmentation. Instead of constantly jumping between separate tools for planning, references, generation, review, assets, and revisions, much more of the creative process stays connected in one workspace. And one thing worth mentioning, Flova goes beyond simply adding a new model. It enhances Cdance 2.5 through skills, which package research, recommendations, and proven workflows into optimized creative processes. If you're tired of juggling AI tools, Flova is worth trying. It's more than another AI video generator. It's an AI-native video agent that helps you plan, organize, review, iterate, and produce videos inside one creative workflow. Use the link in my description to register and get 100 free credits instantly. You'll also receive 200 credits for every new user you invite. If you're creating AI ads, cinematic videos, short films, or series content, check it out and see how it fits into your own workflow. Stop juggling AI tools. Start creating in one intelligent workspace.